Damon Stratton here with Stratton Vantage Property Management. Today I wanted to talk about something that quietly eats into your profits: tenant turnover. The cost of tenant turnover is actually the most expensive part of owning a rental property. Why? Because every time a tenant leaves, you're stuck with a vacancy loss, rent-ready repairs, cleaning, and marketing costs. And it adds up fast. 31% of tenants move out due to poor maintenance experience. This is something many landlords overlook. Maintenance directly impacts tenant retention. Simply put, be proactive, address issues quickly, communicate clearly, and treat maintenance as part of your retention strategy, not just a cost. If you keep good tenants happy, they stay longer. And that means fewer vacancies, fewer repairs, and steady cash flow. If you'd like help reducing turnover in your portfolio, we'd love to help. Thanks for watching.